एंड सबसे पहले आपसे जानना चाहेंगे बीइंग अ कथक डांसर, अ प्रोड्यूसर एंड एन एक्टर. So which of the role is do you think that you are perfect in it, or do you think that you have to excel more in that?
I honestly don't feel I'm perfect in anything, but certainly I'm trying my best to fit into whatever I'm doing so far. And as you said, I'm an actor, I'm a producer, I'm a Kathak expert, TEDx speaker, environmentalist. So the list is quite long. But I feel that all of us has some purpose to be on this earth, and we all are trying our bit. So yeah, enjoying the life.
Talking about your film Tarini, which is about six Indian Navy women who sailed around the world. What inspired you to bring the story to the big screen?
Uh, Honestly, this has started few years back, and there was a very interesting panel happening, and I met the lieutenant commander of this expedition on that platform. When she started talking about her journey, that really inspires me as a woman, and very few people know about this. That इसके पहले कभी भी किसी woman naval officer को expedition पे अकेले जाने की permission नहीं थी. So that intrigued me and interested me to bring such kind of a story on a bigger and larger screen to tell people कि औरतें किसी से कम नहीं होती हैं और Tarni itself is a very big and heavy project for us, but it's very close to our heart. We have taken the rights from Ministry of Defense in 2015, and since then we are making. Prasun Joshi ji has wrote the first draft. The second draft has been done by Kumar Vishwas ji, and we have few interesting director in our mind. We can't reveal much, and we have a studio on move for this film. So yeah, fingers crossed, waiting for the other talent to attach.
Uh, can you elaborate more on the star cast also? Who all are the star cast?
I can't reveal much at this moment, but certainly there are six women naval officers plus Captain Tunde, who has envisioned the whole expedition. And we are having a very good mixture from the Bollywood and South industry. Yeah, I can reveal only this much so far.
कुछ ऐसे एक्टर्स हैं जो दिमाग में हैं आपके भी?
जी हाँ, मेरे दिमाग में तो बहुत सारे एक्टर हैं, बट एज अ प्रोड्यूसर व्हेन आई डू समथिंग I don't force fit myself for picking only a A-lister or a big name, but certainly this includes sort of A-lister as well. Um, yeah, I mean whatever will suit the best, fit the best, we will do, and what is necessary for the film and for the character, will ensure that we are doing.
Okay, talking about your series Life Hill Gayi, which celebrates Uttarakhand culture. So, what are the most challenging and the most rewarding part of producing this series?
I really enjoyed that, and that was my first commissioned show, which has been released on Hotstar. And as a producer, I was so engrossed, so indulged into it, from writing to executing to delivering to releasing. So I was indulged into every part of it, and I was very, very fortunate that I have met such a great cast. I thoroughly enjoyed working with the Hotstar. The whole team become a friend, and yeah, it was beautiful, but certainly challenging as well. इस बीच में हमें पता चला दैट हम लोग बहुत रिमोट लोकेशंस पे उत्तराखंड में शूट कर रहे थे एंड इट्स आवर अंडरस्टैंडिंग आल्सो दैट उत्तराखंड हैज टू बी मोर शूटिंग फ्रेंडली फॉर दैट वी आर रियली वर्किंग हार्ड एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू आवर सीएम Shri Pushkar Singh Dhami Bhaiya, and he's so enthusiastic about promoting more and more films into the state. And with his support, we are planning to do better things. We have increased the subsidy for the film and a web series shooting into Uttarakhand. And with his help, with his support, with his vision, we are planning to take a lot of films. So in this year, we have 3 to 5 films planned, which are going to be shooted in Uttarakhand.
Okay. You have worked with some amazing talent like Vinay Pathak and Bhagyashree in Life Hilgi. So, how was it like collaborating with them with such big talents?
It was lovely. It was lovely, and Bhagyashree ji ने हमारे साथ में OTT debut किया show से. And she's a great actor. She's a great human being, and how amazing and how pleasing she is. I can't describe that. I had Vinay Pathak ji, I had a Devindu Sharma, I had a Kusha Kapila. And I can certainly say for Devendu, I've never met such a uh, great actor and a very professional actor. And I think as a producer, as an actor, both, I have seen something very interesting in him, that how professional and how passionate he is toward his work, and we all need to learn from him.
Okay. You have said delays in acting projects and opportunities for growth. So, what's one important lesson you have learned from these delays?
Thank you for asking me this question. I think we all been part of these delays, waiting, and learning the patience. And you have to do it when you are the part of this film industry. My wait is not too long. I started my career with a T-Series music video of Rasai, and people really, really loved. They showered their love on me. It crossed 305 million or something. I did a lot of other work also, and people really loved me. Um, I don't have a regret saying that I said no to many things, many films, many videos, many content, because I feel अच्छा करने के लिए एक ही काम काफी है, और बुरा करने के लिए भी एक ही काम काफी है. So my advice to all the actors also, uh, have patience, choose something very wisely for you, बिकॉज इस इंडस्ट्री में हर किसी के लिए जगह है, और आपको अपनी सही जगह चुनना, दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट. एंड आई हैव बीन वेटिंग पेशेंटली, एंड I have signed few things which we will disclose very soon. But yeah, sabr ka fal meet hota hai.
Your film Tarini is about strong female naval officers. So, do you think Bollywood does enough to highlight women achievements in real life stories, or is it still more interested in commercial masala cinema?
Unfortunately, that's true. हम 21वीं सदी में क्यों ना हो, लेकिन आज भी there are a lot of disparities. Even there are a lot of pay disparity which Bollywood actresses has brought on board. And yeah, even I had a great lot of challenging stories for Tarni. But वो challenging stories मैं तब के लिए बचाना चाहूँगी कि जब मेरी picture release हो, and when I'm sitting on the success panel, and then I'm telling that yeah, the Tarni has sailed through a lot of uh, that woman aspect and the things where we have been judged because ये छह औरतों की कहानी है. So yeah, we all have our difficulties, but unfortunately, this stigma is still there, and I think we all need to contribute.
You are producing content that highlights Indian culture, but mainstream OTT platforms often focus on bold and urban stories. So, do you think regional and cultural narratives struggle for visibility?
I don't agree what you said, because even Life Will Gayi was a very rooted story. We have seen Panchayat, we have seen a lot of content I don't want to name, which is telling only the rooted story. And as a history film, we have taken one initiative that we are collecting the folklores from different states, even including Uttarakhand also. And we are planning to bring them on board, because हम सभी लोगों ने ना, we all miss दादी माँ की कहानियाँ. अब दादी माँ तो है नहीं सुनाने के लिए. Then of course we are here to tell people वो प्यारी प्यारी कहानियाँ जो दादी माँ सुनाया करती थी, जो लोक कथाएं होती थी. So as a filmmaker, I have this great responsibility, and I want to do this with a lot of passion, with a lot of gratitude. हम वो कहानियां लोगों के बीच में लेके आना चाहते हैं. ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म एक्चुअली अभी रूटेड कहानी को ज्यादा पूछ रहे हैं, because they have also realized it कि they are not making content for India, they are making content for Bharat. तो हम सबको भारत के लिए कहानी.
Yeah. You're working with Dr. Kumar Vishwas on the script of Tarini. So, he is known for his strong political views. So, does any of his opinion influence the film narrative in any ways?
Not at all. एक कलाकार पहले कलाकार होता है, उसकी बाकी चीजें बाद में आती हैं, बट ही इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सन. और कुमार जी में बहुत एनर्जी है. जब वो बोलना शुरू करते हैं तो वो आपको एंगेज कर लेते हैं, और आपको समय का पता नहीं चलता. सो आई थोरली एंजॉयड माय जर्नी विद देम, एंड वी स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन दैट टुगेदर.
Many actors turn producer after achieving big success in front of the camera. You have taken this step early. So, do you think Bollywood favorite star kids more, making it harder for outsiders like you to rise as an actors?
कठिन रास्ता तो चुना है हमने. We started together as an actor and producer. I really appreciate what you said, because मेरे पे nepotism का tag लगता था वहां पर. मैं वहां से यहाँ आई तो मुझे लगा यार why I'm not a nepo kid here. So I have a very weird mixture of a nepotism because for me I'm not a nepo kid here. I am an advocate for North, or you can say the part where the political background comes. Certainly, it gives you a platform. बट ये कहना भी गलत होगा कि नेपो किड्स को जो है सक्सेस ऐसे सजा के मिलती है, ऐसा नहीं है. हम सभी लोगों ने देखा है बहुत सारे एक्टर्स हैं, ग्रेट एक्टर, देयर सन देयर डॉटर्स couldn't avail the same success because आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी तो मिल जाएगी लेकिन उसके बाद आपको प्रूव करना, that's your task. You have to do that bit. Same goes for politics also. So I don't think so. A nepotism can play much role.
Okay, it is recently there was a case you have filed on producers of Aake Ki Gustakiyan. So tell us something about what is the update right now.
सब कुछ तो न्यूज में चला, क्या क्या अपडेट करूं मैं आप लोगों को. But certainly, every industry has good and bad people, and इस बात से मेरा हौसला नहीं टूटा और मैं और सक्षम और सशक्त होकर लोगों के बीच में आई हूँ. And I'm being very thankful and happy that a lot of people stood by my side. अच्छी और बुरी चीजें सब जगह होती हैं, आपको सिलेक्ट करना है कि आप कहाँ पे ज्यादा फोकस करना चाहते हैं. I love the energy of Vikrant Masi. He's such a great actor, such a great person, and I've learned so much from him, and I would love to work with him again and again. So yeah, I would love to work with him on other scripts as well.
और मतलब कि आपको लगता है कहीं ना कहीं आपके उसमें भी नेपोटिज्म हुआ है, मतलब कि आप जो है फिल्म करने वाली थी, फिर उसके बाद शनाया को ले लिया, शनाया कपूर को ले लिया उस फिल्म में. क्या
देखिए, इस बारे में बात करने का मतलब इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है वो सब अवेलेबल है, एंड आई एम अ बिग बिलीवर ऑफ स्प्रेडिंग पॉजिटिविटी, सो आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक एंड फोकस माय पॉइंट ऑन द यूजलेस.
ओके, इफ फन क्वेश्चन पे आ जाते हैं. इफ लाइफ हिल गई हैड अ बॉलीवुड स्टाइल रीमेक, which A-list actors would you cast in Vinay Pathak and Bhagyashree roles?
Sorry.
If Life Hill Gayi had a Bollywood style remake, which A-list actors would you cast in Vinay Pathak and Bhagyashree roles?
Very difficult thing because they are so suited to their character, but certainly I would see Amitabh Bachchan and Hema Malini for this role.
Talking about a Tarini co-stars using only describe your Tarini co-stars using only movie titles.
Tarini co-stars using your movie titles. Very difficult because this is a mixture of whole Bharat. So you can say that I'll say the whole film in unity, in diversity, and the all masalas you will figure out.
So you are not going to name any actresses' name?
And no, I can't.
Okay, imagine Life Hill Gayi had a crossover with a famous Bollywood film. Which film would it be and why?
Life Hill Gayi itself was very unique. I don't see it. It's crossing path for anybody. So.
Okay, if you could sail around the world like in Tarini, which 3 celebrities would you take on the journey?
I would not sail my Tarini with any celebrity. I would like to go it with my real friends. And yeah.
Which one Uttarakhand dish that Vinay Pathak or Bhagyashree absolutely loved while shooting Life Hill Gayi?
I don't know about this, but we were shooting in Nainital and Ranikhet, and my all-star cast loved it.
Okay. Would you like? I know. Lastly, what one message you have to give to the audience?
Our audience is very smart. They don't need any message or suggestion, but certainly. Patience is a virtue. I recently learned it, and I would just like to tell people, whatever coming your way, enjoy that. What's not coming, that will come. You just have to be patient and have faith in your vision in yourself that what you destined to be, it will come on your way. Just believe that.
Okay, lastly, मोदी जी ने एक कैंपेन चालू किया है. रिसेंटली कुछ दिन पहले उन्होंने ट्वीट किया था कि हम लोग को ओबेसिटी से बचने के लिए और हेल्दी खाना खाना चाहिए और वेजिटेबल ऑयल्स का या उससे दूर रहना चाहिए. तो क्या कहेंगे उसके बारे में आप? और
मोदी जी ने मखाना भी बहुत प्रमोट किया है, एंड That's weird thing that makhana has always been part of my evening snacks. Even though in office also, whenever I'm hungry, that I munch on a lot of makhana. And I'm very happy that our Prime Minister Modi ji has, motivating the young generation to eat healthy, stay healthy. He himself is so healthy, he's so fit. His face is always shining. He has that aura. And I'm very happy that our Prime Minister is doing such things. We all have to be very fit. In my diet, even uh, I try to avoid outside food. I'm a very big fan of dal chawal, khichdi. I think I'm not saying you to eat dal chawal and khichdi, but try to eat more at home. And as we all know that there is a virus also happening in Maharashtra, so it's always safe to eat at home, eat clean food, avoid a raw things for some time, or even though you are eating raw, just wash it carefully and very nice.
Lastly, about your upcoming projects, what are the upcoming projects?
We have some interesting projects coming which are commissioned by international OTT platforms. Few projects we are taking to Uttarakhand for film shooting, but I assure you one thing for Himshri Film and what Arushi Nishik is an actor doing. We are bringing you a lot of good stories which you have never seen, never heard before. So just hook and stay with us.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.